As time goes on, we start to learn more and more about ourselves every day. You could say that our lifestyle and personality is shaped by genetics and environment, but some things we're just born with based on our signs. So with me, I'm a Leo, born on July 23rd. They said we are ambitious, independent, optimistic, encouraging, generous, charismatic, the life of the party, loyal, lavish, egotistical, and sometimes we just like to be a little extra. So walk with me and follow my adventures. And welcome to my Leo life.
So it's that time of the year again. It's Gasparilla. I'm trying to get twisted, trying to have a good time. I'm trying to see some titties out. No, I'm just kidding. But yo, Gasparilla, this shit is like Mardi Gras in Tampa. You know, I usually go out with a group of people or whatever, but this year couldn't get nobody to go. One of my homies said he was gonna meet up with me there, but you know how that goes. You try to meet up with somebody in a crowd of like 100,000 people, it ain't happening. So I just got to the parade and had a few drinks in the system already, so I'm straight. And it's pretty lit out here, and I'm feeling right. I'm not even feeling weird being by myself. Just out here, just trying to find some groups to mingle with, some chicks to holler at. Just have a good time. So apparently, in pirate language or whatever, there's a thing called booty. So I'm assuming booty means treasure. So they be like, "Show me the booty." So some crazy shit like that be happening.
All right, go.
I like it. I like it. It's like a
Now open your mouth.
What are you gonna do for some beats?
10 push-ups.
10 push-ups.
You get to that point where you're just living in the moment. So now the parade's over, and we're trying to find a party or maybe some sort of bar. I got my Bluetooth speaker out, and we're just walking down the street, just like we're just wilding, you know what I mean? And trying to see what's going on next.
Alright, this is HATTRICKS over here if you didn't know.
What are we doing? We're at HATTRICKS.
Yeah. What's your name again?
Kirsten.
Kirsten. What's my name?
I don't remember, but you're the nice person. Let me borrow yours and go in charger.
Thank you.
My bad.
Yes, my name is JA-RELL. JA-RELL.com. Mr. JA-RELL.com. Anyway, out here, Gasparilla 2019.
2019.
Word. And her phone is fucked. But look, we're like tethered. Luckily, I got my shit over here. You know what I'm saying? I'm saving lives over here. I'm saving lives.
Saving fucking lives. I would be dead on the street without you.
She would be dead on the street without me. God damn it.
So HATTRICKS is kind of boring. So I'm outside right now, and I see a chick where it's like, wow, she's pretty hot. She's from afar, and she waved me down and told me to come here. I'm like, okay. And then I made up with like a whole nother group, and now they were talking about going to a place called the Cuban Club. So I was dressed up, I was decked out with my pirate outfit, and she was pretty decked out too. So when we actually got there, they was actually starting to film a promo video for it. So they asked me and her to be in the promo video.
Do who has my section hair? Are you ready?
I feel like a porn star's husband.
Alright, go get them. They're right there. Yeah, I didn't bring any jewels.
So now I'm inside. That shit is lit as fuck. It was pretty dope. They got like a whole outside area, and then like It's a big area outside. It looked like a big block party. And then on the inside, there's like another lounge area. And then there's a dance floor. There's balconies. It's pretty crazy in here. Like, I can't believe I've never been here. But it's just pretty dope. It ended up being a good day, a good night. I don't even know how I got home, but got home somehow. I'm still alive, but hey yo, it's your boy Mr. JA-RELL.com, and you're checking out My Leo Life.
Oh, it's right there at the corner. Yo, wait. Yo, stay right there. What's up, guys? Yo, you picking me up, Uber? Yeah.